Friends, in this lecture we'll learn about transpose and transpose using functions and transpose using paste special. You see on the screen there is a data for three products: egg, bread and noodles, and there is a weekly data where the quantity and the price is given and then the total amount is given, where the price is different according to the days of the week. Now this is not quite well if we see this data. The idea is to transpose this data, that means convert the data of rows into columns and columns into rows, and hope that that would give a better visibility. Let us try that. I collect the and copy the data and click on the target cell from where it has to start. Right click on it, paste special, and click on transpose here and OK. Now you see we are having a better visibility of the data and better understanding of the data, where product, quantity, amount and day wise pricing for the three products are given. Similarly, this transpose can be done using a function called transpose. For that we have to click on the target cell, but the difference is that we have to select the target cells and we have to count that. Like if we are having 10 rows, so here we have to select 10 columns, and we are having 4 columns, then here we have to select 4 rows, because if there is a mismatch between the number of rows and columns, then it will not be getting properly transposed. Now after that we have to press equal to and write down transpose and then bracket open, and then select the data that we need to get transposed, bracket close, and now we have to press shift control enter. We do not have to press simply enter, we have to press shift control enter, shift control enter, and now the data is being transferred. You see, we'll do another exercise to understand the difference between the two methods. There is another data set. First we'll do it with paste special, then using the transpose function, and see what is the difference. We select the source data, Control C, click on the target cell, right click on it, paste special, transpose and OK. First set is transferred. Now let us go to the second set. Select the target cells. Now we have to count out that we are having 5 rows, so we have to select 5 columns here. The data is having 3 columns ABC. Here we have to select 3 rows because the column will get converted into rows. After that we have to write equal to TRANSPOSE, bracket open, select the source cell, bracket close, and Control Shift Enter, and now the data is here. What is the difference between the two? Let us try to understand. In the first method, when we used paste special, right, there is no connection between the two data sets, whereas with the second, where we are using the transpose function, the destination data is connected with the source data. You cannot delete any destination data. You see right here, whatever it is giving, it is not possible for you to delete out the data. Whereas in source we can do that, like we can select it and press delete on it, and here the target becomes 0. This is the basic difference between the two. Second difference is that we see here the formatting is also copied, whereas in this case no formatting is copied, right? And the third is, you see here there is 0 is copied, and here it is a black cell. A4 is a blank cell, where when you copy it here in a transpose, it copies at a 0, like 0 here. So these are few differences. One major other difference is that when you are using a transpose function, you have to count out the number of rows and columns, and you have to select all. After that only you can do it. You cannot delete a part of the data here. It will again give an error. If you make changes into a source data, like here in 2 we make it 2000, then the target data will also becomes 2000.